Well guys, here it is, last E39 video. After 2 wonderful years, the car is finally going to another owner. So I wanted to do one final walk around talking about all the updates and modifications we did to the car. The exterior of the car didn't really change much. The only thing we did was the M5 boot lip spoiler, the German front license plate, the clear side markers, and then of course the complete buff and wax that made everything look beautiful. Other than that, everything else remained stock on the exterior of the car. For brakes, we did EBC Ultramax rotors, their green stuff pads, and we painted the calipers blue like the modern M cars have. And of course we have those Federal ST1 tires that have been wonderful. We did quite a bit under the hood of the car. We did the electric fan conversion, the 90C thermostat, the K&N air filter, the snorkel delete. Of course we did have the resonator and muffler delete at the back and the carbon fiber intake on the front, but I removed the carbon fiber intake because I wanted to put the stock intake back on. I wanted to keep the carbon fiber one for myself. I'm not going to sell it. It's just something I made that I wanted to keep. But really, now that I come to think of it, that's about it. So we really didn't do that much to the E39. It was already a great car to begin with, and it was a daily driver, so there wasn't a whole lot I wanted to do. I didn't want to go all out like I did on the 350Z. That's not what this car was for. And of course, BMW already did so many great things to it. It already has a wonderful V8 motor. It already has brake ducts on the front, so I don't have to worry about that. It already had the M Sport suspension and the Style 66 wheels, so I really didn't have to do much to this car to make it the car that I wanted. Of course, we did a complete overhaul in the interior and a bunch of maintenance to the car, but that's going to be something you got to do with any car. I can't believe I almost forgot about the M tricolor suede wrap that we did on the steering wheel. It was wonderful. I loved it so much, and reversing the shift so that you pull back to shift up, also amazing. 2 great simple mods that help you every single day. But as I've said multiple times, it's been an amazing car. I'm going to miss it very much. I'm sure you guys are going to miss it too, but of course there are many videos you can go back and rewatch, and of course there will be videos in the future on other BMWs and whatever daily is going to be replacing this one. So look forward to that. If you have any questions or comments, of course drop them below. Hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys next week.